check it out, check it out. Now, music is a motherfucker, bro. Now, listen here. The problem with music these days is that we get so heavily invested in these artists' lives that even if we like what they say in the booth, we still want to get heavily invested in their personal lives, even if that doesn't reflect their sentiment on a record. Now, what am I talking about, right? Now, a lot of people, and there's two different type of people I would probably say, they judge an entertainer by the life they lead. Some other people say, I don't give a fuck what they do in their personal lives as long as they give me those hits. But for some people, it matters. Now, let's think about some great entertainers who have been accused of some really crazy shit. Okay, now Michael Jackson is an alleged homosexual pedophile, okay, that raped kids. Okay, now this is allegedly, right? Now, R. Kelly is an alleged fucking pedophile that was statutorily raping chicks, okay? Chris Breezy, he is allegedly a serial domestic abuser, okay? Now, all three make great music. Some people say, I don't want to think about all that other shit, just give me the music. Some people say I can't listen to their music because if they did these things, I can't support that music, even if the music is not about them doing that. Now, there's a rapper out now. His name is XXXTentacion, and a lot of people, they like him. Okay, some people don't like him because he's kind of wild. But if you don't know, when we first got introduced to him, like, he had a couple of charges, okay? He was locked up. He was locked up for some breaking and entering shit. He pled out to no contest for that he could get out of jail, and he's on, like, 6 years probation. But a lot of people were monitoring another case that he had, which was a domestic abuse case and a case that involved his ex-girlfriend. Now, everything is making news today because she went to court and she had testified against him, and the transcript has leaked, and people are reading her testimony and saying, whoa, this is what he allegedly did to her, and people are taking it and they're saying this is all the way wrong. Now, I always got to tell you my biases, or if, like, you know what I mean, I don't want to give you any type of skewed news. I know X. I've spoken to X. We've texted back and forth, FaceTime. However, in this issue, we have not went in depth. I am not here to give his side. I ain't here to cop. Please, I encourage X to speak up on the record if he cares or if he can, because this is a legal matter. He should do it on his own accord. Now, I'm going to just report what she's alleging he did. And by the way, I am not saying that this is entirely true, and I ain't saying it's entirely false. Now, this is what she claims. She says she met that nigga, okay? Basically, she was living with another ex-boyfriend. She met him at a show. Eventually, she moved in with X, but she said X was a fucking simp, okay? She said X was jealous at any time she would look the direction of another male or gave a compliment to another male, okay? She said one time, she looked at another dude and she said, I like that nigga's jewelry, okay? This is what she's alleging, right? And she says X got so jealous, he ran up on her with a barbecue pitchfork and barbecue cleaner and told her to pick between them because he was going to put one of them in her pussy. She chose the fork. He told her to get naked. He almost put it there, but she passed out, but he ended up didn't doing it. Now, if you think about it, that's pretty graphic. Whoa, this is crazy. Again, these allegations. Now, after that, okay, she says that X was still violent to her. All right? Basically, she said every day he would threaten to kill her, okay? Also, she said another incident happened. She said she was fucking with a song that he did, but he had a feature on the track. So she liked the guest artist verse on that track. X caught some feelings. She says X basically, after the show, took her into a bathroom, asked her, like, why you be, like, liking the other nigga's song or the nigga's part on my song, and allegedly headbutted her, punched her, stomped on her, and put her in a bathtub and kicked and hit her. Okay? She allegedly had black eyes. There's some infamous pictures floating around it. This shit sound crazy to me. Okay? She also contends that he used to be beating her with, like, hangers, like little plastic hangers, breaking on her legs multiple times. Okay? Now, there's much more to this because apparently she allegedly cheated on him later and then he allegedly, like, beat her up again. Now, I'm saying all this and you guys can go read all the gory details if you want. These are some serious accusations. Are they true? I don't know. Is X the same person now as he was then? I don't know. Now, I will tell you, in my experience speaking to him, I know he seems like he is denouncing violence at this point, but if he was violent towards women, that's a completely different situation, which may needs to be addressed. This is very serious. Now, again, we're only hearing one side, and he might not be at the liberty to come out and just flush out all the truths in his opinion because it's in court. But a lot of people are looking at these details and saying, why are we supporting this motherfucker's music? Because he's accused of some very serious shit. Me, even though he's accused of some serious shit, I like to give him the benefit of the doubt until he is proven guilty. If he's proven guilty, I'm sorry, X, I rock with you and everything, but you're fucking scum for being a woman beater, if you did it. Now, if you didn't do it, of course, I hope you get vindicated. These are serious things. For me, I still separate the music from what these guys do personally. We listen to a lot of killers, a lot of drug dealers. Of course, it's like some of these dudes are rapists. I mean, that's just a reality of things, right? Again, are you going to separate it, or you're going to expect that you got to be Chance the Rapper and have a great image in your personal life for you to fuck with the music? You guys make your decision. Get in the comment box. How much does this matter to you when you're listening to X's music? Do you think she's lying? Do you think X is a piece of shit? Do you think X should be in jail? Do you think he needs to explain? You let me know, because I'm in them comments, and I need to see what the chat niggas say. Get in the comment box. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Yeah, run up the like button on this. Remember, I'm doing a review of all these albums. If y'all want that X17 album review, and by the way, this particular story will not affect my review of his album. But if you guys want that review, please run this up to 10K likes, man. We need that. It's with Akademiks. Come on.